Buster Phillips and coming in at number 8 like El Nino. Sampson gets me lifted by my main man Ho. Sure smoke a lot. Ha!
Yeah. This guy is weed crazy. Look at
What do you want, Master?
Bitch! You know what I want? I want to talk to Sampson. Fly me to the moon like that bitch Alice Kramer. Cause it's hard being black and gifted. Sometimes I just want to throw it all down there and get lifted.
That is so cool, man. He got the same deal as us.
What do you mean?
Sampson.
Oh, right.
Everybody knows in my neighborhood, it's the best system around. Sampson shit is blessed. Got the whole town on lockdown.
So y'all want to smoke?
I'll get Billy Bonk Thornton.
That's what I'm talking about.
No Scarface, no Billy Bonk Thornton without Kenny. That would not be right, man. Use Wesley Pipes. Yeah.
Yo, this shit must be good, B. My man ain't cough like that since back in the day, yo.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get the guy some of this. The guy gotta taste this.
Yeah.
Hey, guy. Hey, man. Sorry to wake you, but you gotta try this. Don't break the cipher.